In this video, I'm going to unlock an iPhone 6 Plus using the most popular and authentic web-based tool. I will create more videos for iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 later. So, let's get started by visiting the website. Visit iCloudSpider.com and watch this full video to successfully unlock your locked iDevice. Here you need the verification token to complete the unlock process. You can read more about verification token on their FAQs page. To get your verification token, you need to participate in an offer on the offers page. Here is my tip to successfully complete an offer. Always go for an offer that is on top. Do whatever is required on the offer page. For example, if an offer requires an email verification, just do it. Some offers require you to put your zip code, etc. Don't rush and complete offers slowly. Please note that offer list may differ from this list depending on your country. After you have successfully completed an offer, please wait for a couple of seconds for their server to check if offer was completed successfully, and then redirect you to the token page. If you are not redirected to the token page within few seconds, go for other offer because it is possible that you haven't completed the offer correctly or did not complete its requirements. For example, you installed an app but did not run it after installation, or there may be any other reason. Now it's asking to wait for 5 minutes before I can activate this device with new Apple ID. You can reboot your device right now, but it's better to wait until given time is over. Do not try to activate your device before the given time is over.